Ngasi ki Ukhrul Zilla ki chithi asida maruwaina tangkhul literature ki matangda yankhisi. Mafam marang karishu phaptatana leiramba khun amaga khun ama malon manatabagi social cohesion yam watna leiramba tangkhul jati literature streamline tawkhrabagi tungda social cohesion yam improve tawba thengnayi sina utpate malon manabasina society mayam pu nakhanki Ningsingba yai tangkhul jati si Ukhrul Kamchong amasung Senapati district da thengnayi Myanmar da shu khun kun henna thengnayi Thaina ki matam dati khun mayam si jati manarashu custom amasung culture manarashu dialectical variation leipaki khun amaga khun ama social interaction kaya leiramti kitang interaction leirambato lan shanaraka leikhibani 20th century की first quarter ta America taki lakpa Christian missionary William Pettigrew na tangkhul literature se ahanba oina Ukhrul ki dialect base tawraga streamline tawbiki mana ahanba oina tangkhul khun kaya ki dialect study tawki atu marakta written form da puthokpa ya pa hunphun khun ki dialect atu English ki alphabet ki mawng ta tangkhul alphabet puthokki Mana shampipa tangkhul alphabet si machine 28 oiye. Loinana hunphun dialect si tangkhul dialect oihanyi. Ningsingba yai huchi Ukhrul haina khangba khun asi originally hunphun haina khangramye. Ukhrul khun ki original inhabitant singbo hunphun naw haina kawi amasung Ukhrul ki dialect si da hunphun dialect haina khangyi. Huchiktit hunphun dialect si na tangkhul jati ki lingua franca oina lai sichinariye. Tangkhul ke alphabet puthok pibasina tangkhul literature ke first step ne haiba yai ani shubada English oina leiramba Christian ishe sing atu translate tawki tangkhul dictionary puthok piki tangkhul grammar shampi amasung school da tamnaba tangkhul ki nursery rhymes kaya written form da puthokki loinamakse mapandagi lakpa William Pettigrew na shampi bani Shangna hairati tangkhul literature se Christian missionary na hothok piki bani Christian missionary sing India thatok rapa ki tung ta tangkhul ki Christian workers sing amasung ocha sing na tangkhul lon se streamline improve kaya purak na pa kanna hotna ki loina na 1938 ta government school ki ocha tawpa sing maru oina NG Rukui of Ukhrul Shangrayom of the Lui Metro Pop Cutting of Ukhrul amasung YK Shimray of Ukhrul na initiate tawraka ahan ba oina tangkhul literature society form tawki loina na YK Shimray bu tangkhul literature society ki ahan ba president oina elect tawki Laibak thina hai batare improvement hopatang airaba tangkhul literature society 1944 the second world war lakpaki khutong chatba kaya thengnabaki literally works loina stagnant oihan ki society should defang ki mong da chahi tara manga hena leiki 1962 da amukhanna literature society ki president oiramba YK Shimray na revive tawhan ki amasung YK Shimray bu amukhanna tangkhul literature society ki president elect tawki 1962 taki hujik fawpa makhoi luchingba singna booking channa thabak tawbaki Manipur government na recognition pi to na mature Indian language ama oina school ke curriculum da yahan ke hujik te degree level fawpa tamnaba Manipur University na ayapa pi khre siki matang da tangkhul literature society ke president oiriba po kasarna shumhai
Ujik ekhoigi tangkhul gi literature gi phibamasi class 1 nagi auraga class 12 phawa mahiroi singbu Manipur government gi syllabus ki makhada MIL wena tambiri adugi mathakta ujik college level da tamnanaba literature gi textbook ready wena leire university na approval su pirawni
Chatra Singh amasung Ocha Singh bu literally incentive lahan napa chahi khuting society sina initiate tawraga tangkhul literature proficiency award puthokki award se Manipur board ki makha da pangthok pa class 10 amasung class 12 exam da tangkhul subject da khwaita ki wangna mark score taw pa chatra ahum select tawki loina na makhoi po tangkhul subject takpi ba Ocha Singh bu shu best tangkhul teacher award pi ki Kumshi ke Tangkhul Literature Proficiency Award Class 12 ta Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Hongbung ki Soyarin Hongwa Yaing Pokpi ki Emmanuel English Academy ki Chatra Susanna Tungshang amasung Savio High School Ukhrul ki Justin Lompinaw na phangki Class 10 da Savio High School ki Shomi Shaisa Ukhrul Public School ki Birkima Kasar amasung Savio High School ki GAS Thotarin na phangki